CPS Healthcare's COLDWAVE hot and cold gel packs are ideal for breastfeeding moms. Let me show you how you can use them. The conveniently sized gel pack can be frozen overnight or for 1 to 2 hours to use as a cold compress and warmed in the microwave for 5 to 15 seconds to use as a warm compress. As a cold compress, it helps relieve painful engorgement, especially in those early days or when weaning off the breast. It can also help reduce any red inflammation or swelling, and it provides a cooling sensation for cracked nipples and to relieve discomfort from teething. As a warm compress, it can help stimulate breast milk flow and a letdown before a feed. It is very, very helpful for clogged ducts or mastitis. It can help relieve that. And you can use it before a pumping session to warm your flanges and while pumping for an optimum pump session and maximum output with the extra flow of oxytocin. If you have a milk blister or a bleb, you can use that as a moist heat, and it can help also ease vasospasms for those moms that have it.